Bye-bye. Bye-bye, baby. Say bye-bye. Bye-bye. Say bye-bye, baby. Nina, say bye-bye. Bye-bye, baby. Bye-bye. Straight face siya, guys. Straight face. Straight face. Bye. Flying kiss, Peanut. Bye-bye. Peanut. Bye-bye, baby. Bye-bye, Peanut. Bye. This is the garden that she truly loves. Here. So, gonna miss you when I'm gone. When I'm gone. Annyeong. So guess what? We're here at Province, and as you know, the products here are very cheap, yet the quality, like, look at this. It has 2, 4, 6, 8, 12 pieces and it's 10 pesos. And we bought this, like, so many candy. Hala, na-open na! Tika mo, may free. Lumabas. Nakabukas ba to? Ay, hindi nakabukas pala. This look, it's pastillas in color pink, which is coquette. I mean, and it's like, it's so pretty. And we bought this another pastillas here, and this one we bought 4 pieces of this, and this one, and we bought so many puto, like here, and so many mais. It's very cheap. Corn! Hindi mais! Mais is corn. Pero yung luto na. And it's very cheap. Which makes me so happy kasi if you're going to Manila or you're going to city, it's double the price or triple the price here. Like, girl, you can survive here with having, you can survive your baon here with only 50 pesos. I'm reaching the color pink. Gosh, this makes me so happy. Wala pa rin. Look, outfit check. In the west. You're already here. This one's so good. Slade. It's so good. I have nagka-breakout ako. Covering your nose. Why are you covering your nose? Why are you covering your nose? Say hi to the vlog. Hi vlog. Welcome to my guys.
Wait. Magta-transform ka.
Ako tinitik ka dyan! Nakikita yung mga isa camera. Anyways, guys. Gonna enjoy eating this. Very cheap and quality.
Ayun sa tatay.
Look at this. Plastics. Meron pa dito. And dyan, and dyan, and dyan. Like, girl, this is so much. Slay.